So the Kaagapay Donations Portal po is an online platform under the DSWD. And dito po, we aim to bring together donors at ang beneficiaries natin. For DSWD, sa portal po natin sa Kaagapay Donations Portal, we have here the DSWD for disaster relief operations and for our care facilities nationwide. So donors can directly donate online for disaster relief operations anytime during disaster or kahit wala pong disaster na gusto nilang mag-donate for food packs or kung anong purpose po ang gugustuhin nila. So they can do cash donations for all relief operations to DSWD. And of course to our CRCFs or our care facilities, we have like I mentioned, we have 76 nationwide po. These are centers for children, yung mga abandonadong mga bata, at for the elderly, yung tahanang walang hagdan. At we also have training centers for persons with disabilities. All of them po pwedeng mag-donate po sa kanila ng cash at saka in-kind donations. Apart from the DSWD, we have the portal also caters to SWADAs or yung mga foundations, non-government organizations, civil society organizations na registered at licensed po under DSWD. So yung mga adoption centers, yung mga foundations po, at saka yung mga non-government organizations na gumagawa ng social welfare programs po, ay nire-regulate po yan ng DSWD. Sila po naandun din po sa portal, so donors can donate directly po sa mga SWADAs or yung mga foundations or yung mga NGOs po. Like Catholic Relief Services is regulated by, it's a SWADA, it's regulated under the DSWD. And dito po, ang donor, pwede nang tingnan po yung profile sa Kaagapay Donations Portal and titingnan kung may activities po sila na pwede nilang bigyan po sila. Dito po, they can do cash at in-kind donations. For cash donations, they can go directly to their accounts. At for in-kind donations, through the portal, gusto nilang magbigay ng mga may wishlist po sila. Kung halimbawa may wishlist sila, clothing or bigas po, they can go to the portal and they can also use the portal to send through Grab, GNT, or Lalamove to send the parcels or the packages that they'd like to donate to the social welfare agencies na gustuhin nilang bigyan. So ayan po. And of course, we have LGUs, but sa LGUs para kaming yellow page. Directory lang to ng mga LGUs. Kung halimbawa gusto ng donor na directly mag-donate sa LGU, they can have that option. Na ayaw nila halimbawa to get the donation through the DSWD or the SWADAs and they'd like to go directly sa LGUs during disaster. Kapag may mga sakuna po, they can use the Kaagapay Donations Portal. So it's the first of its kind in the government na we bring in donors. And this was copied from Singapore. It's like giving.sg, whereby they bring in individuals and organizations who would like to give a donation sa mga social welfare activities po nila. So that's practically the Kaagapay Donations Portal. So when we donate to the SWD, we are not donating to other programs, but only for relief operations during disaster and for our care facilities po nationwide. Ayan, Sir Butch.
Hindi ma-affect yan ng election period.
Wala po, sir. Wala siyang restriction po. At saka kahit 50 pesos, kahit 100 ang donation, they can go to our portal po. So kahit gaano kaliit yung i-donate po nila, 5,000 or 1,000, the Kaagapay portal will accept that donation.
So it's duly noted na lahat ng donations.
Yes, sir. Lahat po ng donations. But the SWD will not, through the Kaagapay portal, will not accept in-kind donations through the portal because we try to avoid yung mga donation na may mga clothing na binibigay sa amin and then yung hindi na magagamit kasi talagang yung mga pinaglumaan halos parang basahan na. So we'd like to avoid that so that these are not the kind of things that we will be bringing to our beneficiaries, especially during disaster.
So ma'am, cash ang donation sa portal.
Cash at in-kind po. For DSWD during disaster, sir, cash only. If they want to give in-kind, they have to do it manually or personally deliver it to DSWD sa regions or dito central office or at our resource center at Pasay. Ganun, sir. We try to avoid yung baka yung dadalhin yung mga halos pwede nang itapon pero dinadala pa rin sa mga centers natin and we try to avoid that.
At saka logistical nightmare, ano?
Ay, tama, sir. And,
Imagine, baka kikita dyan yung magdi-deliver na nakamotor.
tama, sir. And hindi lang po yun. Usually, when you receive through, alimbawa, through LBC, JNT, or kahit na anong courier, hindi ka na, wala ka ng way na ipabalik kasi magbabayad ka pa. And of course, it would be easier, especially so for SWADAs or yung mga foundations and non-government organizations, because they don't have, the donations don't have to pass through the DSWD. It could go directly to them po.
So ma'am, donation kasi totoo naman nangyayari ito. Marami nagdo-donate, gusto lang tax deduction eh. Diyan po sa portal, automatic na may certification kayo na nag-donate sila para magamit nila sa tax tax reporting nila.
Yes, sir. That's the phase 2 of our portal. Since the portal limits donations every day, na yung daily, gaya nung halimbawa may account po kayo from Land Bank to PNB, for a day, ang transaction mo lang ay 50,000. Di po ba? Kasi it's limited by Bangko Sentral, yung online transfer natin. So, they can wait 50, pwede naman po yon. But yes, through the portal, they can have tax deductions po.
Ma'am, may estimate kayo kung magkano ang makukuha nyo through this donation portal?
Sir, wala pa po because we just launched it. We just launched the portal last February 18, nung anniversary po ng DSWD. So, we'll see kung paano po magte-take off, especially so that it's the first of its kind and it's government managed. We do want to highlight, of course, our foundations and yung mga nag-uumpisang mga organizations who are doing social welfare programs para sila actually ang mas importante dun sa portal.
Ma'am, walk us through kung gaano kalaki ang nabawa sa oras ng isang tao. Kung paano naging mas simple na maging generous ang isang tao kumpara doon sa dating pupunta pa ako sa inyong opisina para mag-donate ng, let's say, 5K o 10K.
Tama, sir. Thank you, sir. So, sa portal po, when you log in sa portal, makikita mo na agad yung pumili ka either sa DSWD. Pag pupunta ka doon, may dalawang options ka. Just click the button and then either for disaster relief operations or for care facilities. And then, pwede ka nang mag-donate. Ilalagay mo lang yung name mo, mag-choose, may options ka to choose kung magkano, and then just click and then it goes through. And may email kang marireceive na successful yung donation mo. Just in a flick of a switches.
So hindi na wala sa donor. Yung choice ng kanyang beneficiary ng kanyang donation through that portal.
Po. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Exactly po. So, halimbawa, ayaw niya sa DSWD, gusto niya may, halimbawa, tiga Romblon siya. And then may mga NGOs doon, our foundations, na nandun sa portal, he can go or she can go directly to that organization, click that, and then donate directly sa kanila po. That region, you can specifically go to the portal and go to that region and the portal would know kung para saang purpose at para saang region yung donation po.
So, recipient specific.
Yes, sir. Very donor and beneficiary friendly because you can see kaagad po doon.
So, halimbawa ako may gustong mag-donate. ayoko na mag-donate dyan sa grupong yan. Kasi 3 taon ang pinakakain ng gobyerno yan eh. Doon na lang ako. Pwede bang hahanap na lang ako sa portal nyo na doon na lang ako sa mga batang inabandonan ng mga magulang na gusto mag-aral. So,
Yes,
pwedeng
sir.
mangyari yon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ang DSWD po ay dito nagre-register lahat ng mga adoption centers. So, pwede pong maghanap ka doon ng pagbibigyan ng donation mo po. So, pwedeng in-kind, pwedeng personal delivery, pwede rin through, pag in-kind donation, pwede rin, gaya nung sabi ko kanina, Lala Move. So, we have options na logistic partners po.
Ma'am, yung kabaligtaran naman ng donor na gusto makakuha ng tax deduction, may donors din na ang gusto ay complete anonymity. Pwede
Yes,
rin po
sir.
sa inyo.
Kapag pwedeng anonymous po na donor. Pero syempre, kapag gusto mo ng tax exemption or tax credit, tax deduction, hindi pwedeng anonymous kasi paano ka namin bibigyan ng email? Paano kami magre-responde sa'yo or bibigyan ng certificate kung wala kang detalye? But for those donors who don't need that, halimbawa, hindi nila kailangan yung mga tax certificate of tax exemption, pwede naman pong or tax credit, pwede naman pong anonymous lang. May option po sila doon.
Ma'am, sa inyo bang karanasan, may nagdo-donate ng malaking anonymous o mahilig dun sa fame war, sabi nila, yung mga ibang mga malalaking donors?
For big donors, sir, hindi talaga siya anonymous. Especially for corporate donors po.
Pag may disaster, sino ang pwedeng lapitan ng mga victims? LGU ba o DSWD? And paano yung coordination niya with LGU?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, during disaster, LGU po ang nagpapa-evacuate muna sa kanila and then we try to be there right away. Kasi relief operations po ang DSWD. Since it's relief operations, we are there para dun sa yung mga evacuees, walang pagkain, walang makain, walang mga gamit, at ano pa yung mga psychological na interventions na pwedeng gawin for them, dun po papasok ang DSWD. But for evacuations, it would be for the LGUs.
Can DSWD handle yung big disasters kagaya ng nangyari sa Thailand o yung big earthquake?
At that would be all of government, sir. All of government, the OCD, at gaya po ng sabi ko, ang papasok ang DSWD sa relief operations po. So doon sa pagbibigay ng pagkain, pagkalinga po sa mga kababayan natin, pagtulong sa kanila to bring them to the evacuation areas kapag wala pa po sila doon. But it's practically feeding them during those times na wala pa silang way na makakuha ng pagkain.
You were saying kanina yung office mo
Yes,
is
sir.
involved in a lot of aspects ng social work and development. Can you explain yung
And thank you, sir. So, our office, my office is under the Office of the Secretary. It's in charge of partnerships and resource mobilizations. It's practically the back end. Ang ginagawa po namin ay lahat ng programs ng DSWD, kaya ng 4Ps, Sustainable Livelihood Programs, lahat ng innovative programs po ng DSWD, kapag may mga partners po tayo o gusto nating makakuha ng mga partners, we get in touch with local foundations or corporations who want to help out with co-implementing programs, and of course with international organizations. So we're in charge with loans, grants, and all other programs, and those the grants that are given by embassies to our beneficiaries, to the programs of the SWD. So, dito po, makikita natin yung, halimbawa, lately, may binigay ang GCash ng mga cellphones para sa mga 4Ps beneficiaries na level 1. Who opt to enroll sa GCash para may financial literacy, and then hindi lang iisa yung option for them. Paymaya can do that too. So there are a lot of programs that corporations can do for our beneficiaries, not for DSWD, but for other beneficiaries.
So ma'am, maliwanag yung delineation ng trabaho nyo sa LGU. Kayo yung relief. So self-explanatory, relief. You may not be the solution, but part of the solution.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
So, yung LGU silang dapat mag-solve. Kayo, relief lang.
we cannot do everything.
Yes.
We cannot do everything po. So it's really, during disaster, it's practically everyone in government and of course for NGOs and foundations to help out.
At kung titingnan ng dictionary, ang meaning ng relief ay pansamantala.
Tama, sir. Thank you so much. Morning.
So, meron na po ba tayong record kung how many yung na nagpa-register na doon?
Yes. Actually, all of those who are registered and licensed ng mga foundations at NGOs at civil society organizations are already in the portal. We have around 900 of them. So for foundations and NGOs na walang public solicitation permit, they cannot receive cash donation. They can only receive in-kind donations. Because once you solicit or accept donations, they need a permit to be able to accept donations or make solicitations. So we have 900. And for public solicitation, we only have 14. We're adding on yung mga dati pa na nabigyan because sometimes itong mga foundations or NGOs, sometimes they have public solicitation permits for a year for a certain program. Sometimes naman 2 months only. And after that, they have to liquidate the amount that they received. Kasi DSWD regulates that too. So it's quite different for cash donation and in-kind donation. Like I said, pag wala silang public solicitation permit, they cannot accept cash donations po sa Kaagapay portal.
Ma'am, clarification, nasa portal 900 organizations na yung pwedeng maka-receive ng donations.
Yes po.
Naka-register doon.
Yes po.
So, paano po ba sila for example, may mga organization, kasi parang ang gagawin nyo, parang i-regulate nyo yung mga organizations, tama po ba ako? Para maiwasan yung mga scams.
Yes. Yan ay dati ng role ng DSWD. We have the Standards Bureau. So, yung isang digital transformation program natin sa DSWD, yung HELPS, they are the ones that regulate dito, nag-a-apply for registration and licensing. The Kaagapay portal is our way of saying thank you to them for being, for abiding with the regulations of government. So that's how the government, says thank you to them.
Kumbaga lang siya, service nila ng DSWD para tulungan yung mga legitimate na organizations.
Exactly.
Oo. Tapos po, paano, so pupunta muna sila sa HELPS, tsaka sila mapupunta sa Kaagapay portal.
Tama po. Sa HELPS, they just need to sign and have notarized an undertaking and then upload it and then they get the permit and they automatically in the cash, they can already accept cash donation. So, again, lahat ng registered at licensed na foundations at organizations nandun sa portal, pero in-kind lang ang pwede. But for those who have permits already, they can accept both in-kind at saka cash donations.
Ma'am, for soundbite lang, paano nga ba ulit mapunta sila sa Kaagapay portal? Ano po ang process?
Just sa Google, well, on your phones or kahit sa mga laptops nyo, just type in Kaagapay Donations Portal and then click it and then magpapakita na po.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Sa part po ng organizations,
Sila sa HELPS, automatic nag-a-appear na sila sa Kaagapay Portal po. They don't have to do anything.
may ano lang po ako, correct me if I'm wrong, parang na-observe lang po ako. Para po ba itong matching, for example, ang advocacy ko, isang individual, for soundbite lang mama, kung tama po ba yung pagkakita?
Yes.
Individual ako, tapos yung advocacy ko about children.
Yes.
So pwede ako mamili doon doon sa Kaagapay portal ng sa organization na nag-cater sa mga children.
Tama po. Kumbaga, it's a dating app. It's a dating app for donors and beneficiaries. Gusto mo ang mga programa na para sa mga matatanda? Hanap ka ng sektor na para sa mga matatanda. may sector din doon sa portal you can choose, or for the youth or for children. So, yun po, it's like a dating app for donors and beneficiaries.
Ano yung dating apps?
Si Sir, baka alam niya. Ano yung dating app, Sir?
Hello. Hello, Ma'am. Job Manahan ng ABS-CBN. Ma'am, sorry, lilisa ako ng kaunti. Kamusta po yung distribution natin ng AKAP tsaka AIX ngayong start na po ng local campaign season? Can you talk about that?
Actually, I'm not the official spokesperson of DSWD. I'm in charge of the Kaagapay portal.
Okay.
But just the same, perhaps we can ask ASEC Irene Dumlao to talk about that. But personally, may election man or wala, the DSWD naman would always help out. Pwede namang maging beneficiary. You can go to the SWADAs or organization and ask for help from them. And they can get that help through the Kaagapay Donations portal. And this one, our aim is to bring in donors and beneficiaries together for us to be able to build an environment of sharing, a space for giving. Magandang umaga po.